Hello my dear children, I'm Miss Moonlight and today I brought you another exciting lesson that might seem tricky at first. But don't worry, I'll make it easy for you. Did you know that music has punctuation marks just like language? Of course it does, that's why we call music a language. Today let's explore full stop, commas and explanation marks in music. First, we'll check full stop marks. So perfect cadence, which has chord 5 to 1. Then Plagal Cadence, which has chord 4 to 1 moving. Those cadence act as full stop in music. Then we have a comma, Imperfect Cadence, which moves chord 1 to 5. Then explanation. Also we call it surprise cadence, interrupted cadence, which has chords 5 to 6. Act as a what? Explanation mark. Okay, let's move. Now we'll see how to write these cadence in SATB, soprano, alto, tenor, bass. When we are writing these cadences, we need to use 4 voices, right? That means we need 4 notes, okay? So, perfect cadence in C minor. I'll take that example for you to explain. So C minor scale, what you have? Now you know because we have done. We learn how to write, how to find the key signature in all major and minor scale within 1 minute. Go and check my previous video. C minor scale, you have 3 flats. So perfect cadence, you have chord 5 to 1. So we'll see how it sounds. Bright ending. Now you know, right? So we'll see how to write this now. So in C minor scale, your 5th dominant triad is what? C, D, E, F, G. G is your dominant. So dominant triad is G, B, D. Then what is your dominant chord? You have to double the root for that. We'll see. G, B, D, G. That means 1, 3, 5. Again 1. That means you have to double the root. To write as SATB, you need 4 notes, right? G, B, D, G. Then chord 1, what do you have? C, E, G, C. 1, 3, 5, 1. C minor is the scale, so your chord 1 is C, E, G, C. Now let's see how to fill this. Miss Moonlight have always easy tricks, so this is my trick. Always, because when you're writing cadence, you will face so many problems. You cannot keep more than an octave, you cannot keep consecutive 5th and 8th. There are so many things to consider, but if you follow my way, I mean this number system, it's very easy for you to fill the cadence, right? But if you are writing cadence in a harmony, if you have a long chord progression, then you have to follow that. But in case if you're writing just as one cadence, then you can simply follow this. So my number system is 1, 1, 5, 3. What does it mean? 1 means what in this chord 5? G. So I'll write G in my bass. Then again 1. That means I'll write my tenor note again G. 5 means D, my alto note. Then my soprano is the 3rd of the chord. That means B. G, G, D, B. 1, 1, 5, 3. That's the way, right? Now simply take a manuscript paper and you also follow with me, right? So 1, 1, 5, 3. Then don't forget you have to raise the 7th note because it's a minor scale. C minor scale, you have to raise the 7th note. C minor scale, what is your 7th? It's B flat, but it's a minor. When you raise it, it becomes B natural, okay? Then chord 1. Now filling chord 1 is super easy. You just have to do like this. Write the bass note. Bass is what? C. Then not in common. Same note. Then step up. B goes to C. Step up. D goes to E. That's the pattern. See? Just fill your chord like this. In chord 1, I mean chord 5, the first side of the cadence, chord 5 fill with this number system 1 1 5 3. Then chord 1 is super easy to fill. Bass note, common, step up, step up. You can apply the same technique for all the other 3 cadences as well. We'll see. I'll take the same scale, imperfect cadence in C minor. So, imperfect cadence in C minor, you have 1 to 5. Perfect cadence is 5 to 1. Imperfect means 1 to 5. Do you want to listen how it sounds? Let's see. Okay, it's not a bright ending, right? It gives you, okay, it's continuing, just a comma. So what is your 1? C, E, G, C. In C minor scale, your chord 1 is C. Chord 5 is, now you know, G, B, D, G. Here, when you're filling this cadence, always fill the second chord first. So you can do the same, you can follow the same number system for this. So 1, 1, 5, 3. G, G, D, B. That's your 1, 1, 5, 3. Don't forget to raise the 7th. Then, same thing. Bass, common, step up, step up. That's it. See how easy it is? You can write the cadence within seconds in this way. Okay? Then, same thing for Plagal. Chord indication is different, right? 4 to 1. Plagal. Amen. You want to listen? When you listen, see, it gives you the amen sound. See, amen, right? So, 4 is what? In C minor, C, D, E, F. F, A, C, F. Then in chord 1, now you know C, E, G, C. Here also, do it as imperfect cadence. First fill the second chord 1 1 5 3 using that number system. So 1 is C, again 1 is C, 5 means what? G, 3 means E. Is it clear? Then chord 4, bass, common, step up, step up. That's it. Super easy. In Plagal cadence you won't need the leading note, right? Moving on. Interrupted. See how easy? You can simply and quickly do this. So, interrupted cadence, you have chord. What are the chord indication? 5 to 6. So, chord 5 is G, B, D, G, right? But there's one small change in interrupted cadence. Usually, I told you to do double the root. Always I told you to double the root. But in interrupted cadence, in chord 6, you have to double the third. Here we go. A, C, E, C. Instead of doubling the root, you have to double the third in here, right? Here, fill the chord, first side of the chord first. So 1, 1, 5, 3 you can apply to chord 5. So 1 is G, again 1 is G, D, B. There you go. Here also you have the leading note, so raise it. C minor scale, B is there. So now, bass, step up, step up. The other one, tenor note, jumps with the third gap. See? Third down. That's it. And in here, soprano and alto, you have an octave here. That's a way. Third down, octave. 1, 1, 5, 3. Always 1, 1, 5, 3. If you follow that number system, you can fill the cadence within seconds, right? Now, I have done all 4 cadences using C minor scale. Now you can try those cadence with another scale. I'll give you D minor scale. Using D minor scale, do all 4 cadence and upload, right? I'll help you to check. Okay, children. So, that's all for today, right? Now you can recognize cadences by ear because you know how it sounds. Then you know how to write in SATB format. Great job! So comment below what lesson you like to learn from Moonlight, and don't forget to subscribe to stay in touch. Bye bye for now.